Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add fonts in Phonto. So first you have Phonto app in your phone, and then go to camera and tap plain images, and then select the color of your choice, and then use and save. Then you can tap the screen or the images that you choose, and can select the text you want to type, and then you can tap the font or text to change the color of the text. So here, as you can see, this is the font or regular fonts that we have, and as you can see, I have downloaded fonts already in my Phonto, and I want another font, I want to show you how to add or how to download fonts using Phonto. To do that is just go to any search engine you have, Chrome or Safari, but I like using Chrome, so I'm just search for thefont.com, and then as you can see, there's a lot of free fonts here that you can download, but I want a calligraphy font, so I'll choose that one, and I want this font Hello, and tap download beside it and copy to Phonto, and then just tap install. Then once it's installed, then just go back to your text, and then tap your text, and then choose font. You can see your font or downloaded font in my fonts or my font, and then you can look for the name of the font you downloaded from the font.com. So if I'm not mistaken, its name is Hello, so I'm gonna use that or change that into Hello font. So as you can see, the font word change, and then if you want more, just add another fonts if you want, or if you wish, you can add as many as you can by doing it the same way. So that's it mga boss, that's the way on how to add font in Phonto. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.